Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to let your admins help keep things up to date, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest step-by-step method for allowing admins to change your channel's info, so your team can work together to keep your channel fresh and organized. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has owner or full admin rights for the channel you want to manage. Next, head over to your channel. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open it. Now, look at the top of the screen and tap on your channel's name. This will take you to the channel's info page, where you can see details like the number of subscribers, shared media, and more. On the channel info page, find and tap the edit button. This is usually a pencil icon in the top right corner. Once you're in the edit menu, look for the section labeled Administrators and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has admin privileges in your channel. Find the admin you want to update and tap on their name to open their permissions. Now, you'll see a list of options for what this admin can and cannot do. Look for the switch or toggle labeled Change Channel Info. By default, this might be turned off, meaning only you or certain admins can update the channel's name, photo, and description. To give this admin the ability to make changes, simply toggle this switch on. Don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a checkmark or save button at the top right. Tap it to confirm. That's it. You've just empowered your admin to help update your channel's info whenever needed. This makes managing your Telegram channel a team effort and helps keep your content current and engaging for your audience. If you ever want to update these permissions again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and happy channel managing.